At some time, we have come up with the decision of finding out how an educator student and a professional teacher spend their lives. To please our nosiness, we decided to follow one student and a teacher in the same field of expertise.
Huh? What is this? An interview. Is it being filmed?
Wait. Should I just talk casually?
Can this boost my motivation?
Oh my, this is giving me a little bit of awkwardness right now, but yeah.
I don't know if it's appropriate, but oh well. Hi everyone, I'm Donna and I'm the prettiest, best major in Ateneo de Naga University.
A safe day to everyone. I am Aris Maestrado Clavero, adept ed teacher from Pilua Central School.
Some would say that choosing early childhood is effortless, but it is not because we are the foundation. The child's growth would always depend on how strong its foundation is. Good thing Ateneo has rehearsed me to non-stop demonstration teaching, lesson planning, and work immersions to prepare us for a world of reality.
We will not intervene in their lives. But when we think it's necessary, we'll ask them questions regarding their lives as an educator.
Why teaching? It is because education has been a part of my life ever since I was a child. My mother is a teacher, so I would see her teach every day as her students listen with sparkle and curiosity in their eyes. I then realized that I wanted to become a teacher. I want to see that curiosity again. I want to see that glimmer in the eyes of a child. Fascinating, right?
You know what? Teaching is a lifelong process like learning. So I just chose to learn, and teaching came naturally from this decision. And that decision is a life-changing power, and I firmly believe that such power could possibly change one's future, perception, and of course, life.
Struggles? Well, we cannot deny the fact that there would be schoolworks to be done, trying to reconnect with your families and friends, connecting with your classmates and instructors virtually, and one more thing, coping with the new modality of learning.
What keeps me going despite all the hurdles that I encountered?
Well, these are the reason why I keep going. To keep myself on track by reminding of the struggles I have passed through, as to where I am right now, and as to why I chose to teach to keep on moving.
A clap? Why should I clap? Like this one? 1, 2, 3.
We'll let you be the judge. To a new door of discoveries.
English as my specialization bestows me great advantages, such as utilizing the skills and knowledge I possess. I was able to provide for my necessities without further assistance from my parents. As an ESL tutor, the significant thing I treasure is the chance of meeting people from across the world, encouraging their growth, listening to their stories, and being knowledgeable about their culture. I am grateful for choosing this, and I perceive this as my pre-service teaching experience before I become a professional teacher.
Hi everyone, this is Glyce, and this is my day in a life. I am a second-year student under the Bachelor of Special Needs Education with specialization in elementary school teaching. As a pre-service special needs teacher, I want to guide them to be independent and for the survival in their day-to-day life. I can see the different exceptionalities as essentials with special care because we can never deny that they are the beauty of our society. Besides of being a student, I can teach young children with different ages so that it will help me to prepare myself in the real world teaching profession. I am honored to be a student that has dedication and commitment to give and help to the students with special needs.
Hello, I'm Princess Ampi P. Bagaporo, a second-year education student specializing in secondary education, major in social studies. When I was pondering what major should I pursue, after some time I was able to decide and I chose social studies. Mostly, learners hate social studies subjects such as geography, history, economics, etc. Because for them it is a very boring class. They don't get the point of studying social studies when in fact the primary purpose of it is to develop responsible and active citizens in our society to actively participate on issues to question the government and to help for us to have a better place to live on. As a future teacher of social studies, I aim to remove the ignorant in our society in terms of their rights and responsibilities so that no one can abuse and take advantage of them.
To accept
The challenge
To choose
education.